Good evening, dear parents. Myself, Vinita Ghadge, Director of Vidya Bhavan Preschool. Uh, First of all, I would like to apologize on behalf of Namita ma'am as she is the moderator today, but couldn't join due to some personal reasons. So I will be the moderator today, and I welcome you all to the third webisode of Parent School Connect. Parent School Connect is a platform where we discuss about the various parenting problems and their solutions. We invite this team of experts to provide you proper solution and guidance for all your problems and queries in this time of crisis. As we are at home since last 3 months, और आगे भी कुछ मंथ इसी तरीके से जाने वाले हैं, हम बच्चों को घर से बाहर नहीं निकालने वाले हैं। ये बहुत लंबा पीरियड जाने वाला है जब बच्चे घर से बाहर नहीं निकलने वाले हैं। एंड वेरी सैड पार्ट इज दैट कि बच्चों को वो अपने स्कूल नहीं जा सकते हैं, दे कैन नॉट मीट देयर फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन नॉट मीट देयर टीचर्स एंड नॉट इवन दे कैन नॉट विजिट देयर रिलेटिव्स। तो घर में ही रहना है। एंड एट दिस टाइम द पेरेंटिंग हैज बिकम रियली अ चैलेंज फॉर पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि जो 0 से 6 इयर्स तक का जो अर्ली ईयर पीरियड है, ये बच्चों के लिए फाउंडेशन ईयर्स होते हैं। जब बच्चा स्कूल जाता है तो बच्चे का स्कूल जो है, आपके बच्चे का स्कूल जो है, वो इन सभी फंडामेंटल डेवलपमेंटल एस्पेक्ट्स को ध्यान में रख के बच्चों को लर्निंग प्रैक्टिसेस प्रोवाइड करता है। हम लोग इस तरह का करिकुलम डिजाइन करते हैं कि सारे बच्चों का ये वाला पार्ट फुलफिल हो सके। बट क्योंकि आप बच्चे हमारे पास तो आ नहीं पा रहे हैं और ये सारे रोल्स भी आप लोगों को ही निभाने हैं, तो एक जो क्या क्या जो एक अपने डेवलपमेंटल एस्पेक्ट्स क्या क्या होते हैं बेसिक, उसका नॉलेज आपको होना चाहिए। एज अ मदर अगर आप बच्चे को अटेंड कर रहे हैं घर पे, और उसको क्योंकि ये जो अगर 6 साल तक का पीरियड है, उसमें अगर 8 से 10 मंथ ऐसे निकल जाते हैं जब आपने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया बच्चे की तरफ, तो ये उसके डेवलपमेंट में बहुत नेगेटिव चीज लाएगा। तो उसके लिए आज हमारे पास में कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स हैं जो कि कुछ डेवलपमेंट एस्पेक्ट्स हम लोग उनके साथ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस फर्स्ट और पैनलिस्ट। और फर्स्ट पैनलिस्ट इज नीलाक्षी नावलेकर मैम। शी इज द फाउंडर डायरेक्टर ऑफ चेतस चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर एंड एजुकेशन सर्विसेज। She has done her graduation in home science with child development major from SNDT Pune. She has done PG diploma in school psychology. She has also done professional development training in multiple intelligence in early childhood education course. Having vast experience with early year education, she is heading different projects and consultation program in the field of education. And she is going to guide us today on social and emotional development of children in early years. A very warm welcome, Nilakshi ma'am. Now I would like to introduce our second panelist. She is Mrs. Aarti Gupta. She is the founder and director of Brilliant Brains, the Foundation School. She is the MBA in HR and also done diploma in Montessori Teachers Training Program and having certificate in ECCE and NIOS. She is very well known Jolly Phonics professional trainer by Jolly Learning UK, and she is guiding us with language development in early years. Welcome, ma'am. Our third panelist is Abha Jain ma'am. Abha Jain ma'am is the director and principal of the Kids Foundation School, having 3 branches in Indore. She is a great mentor with post-graduation in child psychology also. She has designed many activities under EPL, fine motor skill, mind and body coordination, and many more. We are glad to have you, Abha ma'am. And Abha ma'am is going to guide us on pre-writing skill development. Our last panelist is Mrs. Taha Khan. Taha ma'am is director of Eurasia International School, having 4 centers in Indore. She has done MA in English and also NTT and BEd. And also she is pursuing PhD in education. She has also done various diploma in personality development, child psychology, and the list is endless. And she is having 16 years of experience in the field of education. We are glad to have you, Taha ma'am. Now, without wasting much time, I would like to hand over Nilakshi ma'am, that she is going to guide us on social and emotional development of children in early years. Nilakshi ma'am, kindly unmute yourself. Not able to unmute yourself, ma'am? Okay. So, oh, it's done. Again. No, ma'am, again got muted, ma'am. Yes, now it's unmuted.
Okay. So, a warm hello to all the panelists and all the attendees. Hope I'm audible. Let me start today's discussion with a very beautiful quote by Daniel Goleman. And Daniel Goleman says that emotional intelligence or emotional learning begins right from the early years. And every small interaction that a child has with his parents, with the teachers, and for that matter, with each other, carries emotional messages. So इस एक कोट में बहुत important information है हम सबके लिए कि every interaction that we have with our little ones, they are full of emotional messages for our children. And अगर हम अभी की बात करें तो externally it is all about COVID or Corona or the pandemic. But internally, अगर हम अंदरूनी बात करें, internal बात करें, तो yes, it has had a very much impact, okay, on all of us. बड़ों से लेकर छोटों बच्चों तक सब पे इसका impact कहीं ना कहीं हो रहा है. And we all are positive in the coming days, this pandemic will end and things will get back, though not to the normal scene, but to the new normal. Okay? But what about इस period में जो भी emotional impact हम सबके बच्चों पे हो रहा है, उसके लिए या उसके बारे में हम सबको सोचना बहुत जरूरी है. We need to think about it. Because as Vinita ma'am rightly said, कि early years are crucial period in a child's development. जो भी overall development बच्चे की हो रही है, उसमें जितना भी प्रभाव होता है, वो 0 to 6 years में सबसे ज्यादा होता है. Because research has proved that the development during this period is not only at a fast pace, but it is affecting the overall growth and development of the child. Now, when we talk about the emotional development of the child, what is meant by emotions? Okay, so emotions जो है, it comes from a Latin word which means emovere. Okay, so इसमें से ये word emotion आया है, and it says any kind of a response. Any kind of a response मतलब हम जो भी कोई प्रक्रिया देते हैं किसी भी चीज के ऊपर, किसी भी सिचुएशन के ऊपर, किसी भी घटना के ऊपर, so that is a response जो प्रक्रिया है. So it could be in case of children, it could be, children do a lot of movement, children get up and they jump when they are very happy, children run around you when you get something for them, children are very happy when relatives visit. So any kind of a movement, any kind of stir up situation, any kind of action, all this comes in emotions. And emotions जो है, इनके बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो there are two main factors which come into picture. First is your genetics. Okay, that is आपकी जो भी पैदाइश के साथ आप जन्मे हो, पैदाइश के समय के भी जो गुण है आपके या आपकी abilities है, वो है the genetic part. And what is more important in the early years, okay, and which affects the emotional development, that is the environment, the experiences and the exposure that children get in the early years. So ये दोनों का impact बच्चों के social emotional development पे हो रहा है. And research has proved that emotions या EQ development जो है, that can be developed. EQ can be developed. Okay, that is the emotional quotient, or it can be raised. So when we talk about raising the EQ, it means कि हम सब में कुछ टेम्परामेंटल थिंग्स है, हम सब में कुछ इमोशनल ये है, कोई इमोशंस ज्यादा इसमें है, कोई कम इसमें है, बट वी कैन डेवलप देम, वी कैन रेज देम. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट समथिंग कॉल्ड एज स्पाइस. ओके, अब आप सोचेंगे कि ये इस वाले एपिसोड में जहां बच्चों के बारे में बात हो रही है, मैम स्पाइस के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? ओके, तो वो एक अलग बात है कि अभी हम स्पाइसेस को यूज कर रहे हैं हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए. बट एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड स्पाइस, ओके, SPICE, so here S stands for the social development, P stands for the physical development, I stands for the intellectual or the cognitive development, C stands for the communication skills or the language development, and E stands for the emotional learning or emotional development. And this in all, ये सब मिलके they contribute to the overall growth or the overall development of the child. ये बहुत vast topic है social emotional learning, but due to the constraint of the time, I'll be talking more about what skill sets we need to develop in our children so that they will develop to be emotionally strong. Okay, so अगर हम अभी की सिचुएशन की बात करें या ओवरऑल भी अर्ली इयर्स में बच्चों के इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट की बात करें, तो आई फील देयर आर two important skill sets which we need to develop in our children. Okay, resilience हो गया, perseverance हो गया, ये सब बात की बातें हैं. अभी के समय में जो दो important skill sets है जो मुझे लगता है हमें बच्चों में डेवलप करने चाहिए, वो है to cope and to adapt. Okay, so to cope, जो एग्जिस्टिंग सिचुएशन है, जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस बच्चे को मिल रहे हैं, उनके साथ में आप एज पेरेंट्स, आप एज एडल्ट्स कैसे कोप कर रहे हो, यू आर ट्रांसमिटिंग दैट टू द चिल्ड्रन. सो वी नीड दिस एबिलिटी टू बी डेवलप्ड इन आवर चिल्ड्रन एंड एट द सेम टाइम टू अडेप्ट टू द कमिंग सिचुएशन. क्योंकि अभी इसके बाद का क्या सीन रहने वाला है, वी डोंट नो. There is a complete break. Okay, सब लॉकडाउन में है, things are slowly unlocking, but still we don't have clarity. Okay, and जो एक social connections थे, family connections थे, बच्चे का स्कूल जाना, friends से मिलना, एक जो रूटीन बच्चे का था, सब ब्रेक हो चुका है. So इससे आगे कैसे सिचुएशन होने वाली है, उसके लिए बच्चे को हमें अडेप्ट करने की शिक्षा देना बहुत जरूरी है. मैं एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. I take online classes for children who are specially abled. Okay, so इस सिचुएशन में जब मेरा एक इंटरेक्शन एक बच्चे के साथ हो रहा था, तो his mother was also sitting next to him, and during the course of the interaction, उसकी मदर ने खास दिया, ओके ऐसे करके खास दिया. Now the immediate reaction of the child was he touched her forehead and he said fever, बुखार, कोरोना टेस्ट. Now अगर हम ये बात सुने तो एक सेकंड हमें ये भी लगेगा कि वाओ द चाइल्ड इज सो अवेयर, बच्चे को कितना मालूम है, कितना एहसास है. बट कहीं ना कहीं if we take a deep look, we can see the anxiety or the fear that is there in the mind of the child. And that is why I feel we need to develop in them this ability of coping and adapting. And for this, what can we do? हम parents, stakeholders, educators, हम क्या कर सकते हैं अगर बच्चों को हमें emotionally strong करना है? So I will talk about the ruler concept, which talks about R, which is, you know, being receptive to the children. बच्चा आपके साथ जो भी शेयर कर रहा है उसका आप प्रतिसाद करो, okay? And help the child to recognize the emotion he is feeling, okay? So immediately ये incident होने के बाद में उसकी मदर थोड़ा वो हो गई, तो मैंने तुरंत उनको कहा कि आप बच्चे को पहले सिक्योर फील करिए कि सिर्फ मैं खांस रही हूँ, आपको इतना एंग्शियस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. So I feel every interaction or every opportunity that you get is a very good opportunity to connect with the children and teach them about their emotions. So let's talk about gems. जो खाने वाली कलरफुल गोलियां होती है वो नहीं. It is about having genuine interaction moments with the children. बच्चा आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछ रहा है, आप किसी काम में कितने भी उलझे हुए हो, बट एटलीस्ट आप अगर नॉन वर्बल जेस्चर भी करोगे कि उसको रुकने के लिए कहोगे या नॉड करोगे, दैट ऑल्सो हैज अ इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट ऑन द चाइल्ड. सेकेंड इज यू, दैट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बच्चा कोई भी रिएक्शन दे रहा है कोई भी सिचुएशन के लिए, उसने किसी चीज के लिए जिद करी है, तो आप किस प्रकार से उस पर रिएक्ट करते हो, दैट विल हेल्प द चाइल्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेदर उसका बिहेवियर, उसका रिस्पॉन्स करेक्ट है या करेक्ट नहीं है. देन L stands for learning. And how is this learning about emotions going to happen? When you help the child to label the emotions that the child is feeling. अगर आप बच्चे के कोई बिहेवियर से हैप्पी नहीं हो, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि ये क्या किया, ये तो बहुत गंदी बात है, ये तो बहुत गंदी आदत है, इंस्टेड ऑफ giving such a reaction, make the child understand which behavior of his is not applicable or which is not correct, and help him to understand and label his responses. And E stands for expressing. बच्चा अगर कुछ एक्सप्रेस करना चाह रहा है कि वो क्यों नाखुश है, वो क्यों गुस्से में है, प्लीज ट्राई टू अप्रिशिएट हिज फीलिंग्स, ट्राई टू बी एम्पैथेटिक टू द चाइल्ड. And R is help the child to regulate his response. अब ये रेगुलेशन ही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, और आप, मैं, हम सब जो एडल्ट्स हैं, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, वी सर्व एज द इंजन फॉर द इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसके लिए, तो मैं ब्रीफ में बस कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी शेयर करूंगी. कामिंग डाउन टेक्निक होता है, इसमें जो बच्चे का सिर है, मतलब उसके माथे से आप यहां से स्ट्रोक करते हुए जाइए, तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जहां एंड होता है वहां तक आपको 3 बार उसको स्ट्रोक करोगे पास में लेके, तो दैट हेल्प्स टू काम डाउन द ब्रेन. बिकॉज बच्चा जो भी प्रतिक्रिया देता है, ओके, कोई भी प्रक्रिया पर, सो दैट डजंट हैपन थ्रू हिज थिंकिंग ब्रेन. That is why we need to help the child. Also, आपके फीलिंग्स आप बच्चे के साथ शेयर करो. आपको भी डर लग सकता है, आपको भी गुस्सा आ सकता है, पर आप उसको कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हो ये बच्चे के साथ शेयर करो. ओके, देन जो हम पहले से हम करते आए हैं कि कहानियां, स्टोरीज, एक्चुअली दैट इज द बेस्ट मीडियम टू वर्क विद द children. दादा दादी नाना नानी की जो कहानियां होती है उस माध्यम से जो बच्चा सीखता है, जो लर्निंग बच्चे की होती है और इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट होती है, दैट इज द बेस्ट way to utilize. Then we are always should be receptive to the child through our presence. Okay, बच्चा महसूस करता है आपका presence and you transmit your feelings to the child. So it is very important that we keep all these things in our mind whenever we are working with the child. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच नीलाक्षी मैम। बहुत ही अच्छे आपने जो भी मेथड्स बताए, डेफिनेटली पेरेंट्स को हेल्प करने वाले हैं थ्रू स्टोरीज। लाइक आपने जो काम डाउन वाला जो बताया है कि उस तरीके से बच्चे को काम डाउन किया जा सकता है, उसके बाद में टू कोप एंड टू अडॉप्ट, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग कि बच्चे को कोप अप करना सिखाया जाए प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन को, और फ्यूचर के लिए उसको अडॉप्टिव बनाया जाए। तो अब डेफिनेटली पेरेंट्स को बहुत हेल्प करने वाला। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सच अ फ्रूटफुल insights. Now I would like to Aarti ma'am. Aarti ma'am is going to guide us on language development in early years. This is another very important fundamental aspect in these early years. So I invite Aarti ma'am to share her thoughts on language development in early years.
Thank you so much, Vinita ma'am. It is really a great pleasure to be here with all of the panelists and our parents, mothers, especially mothers, which really plays a very important role in a child's life, what I feel, right? And today I'll be talking about the language. So we all know that what is language. Language is something which helps us to, express our feelings. हम क्या सोच रहे हैं उसको बताने के लिए, दूसरे तक पहुंचाने के लिए we need language, right? And the language is developed in a certain manner. There are steps when we talk about a child, how the language is being developed. My half of the work is done by Nilakshi ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am, because half of the work I'll be doing with this. Because the complete personality is not only language or maybe social or emotional. So it is all a complete package, which makes the human being a human. That is why we are human. We have brains, which is not with the animals. Otherwise, we all are animals, right? So this is also a lovely gift which is given to human beings, that we can speak, we can talk. This is a beautiful thing which we have got as human. But we need to think that what we are doing with our children, at what time we are expecting what. Nowadays, whenever I meet any parent, they just after me, ma'am, mera bacha likhta nahi hai. Is it something that writing is very important? अगर बच्चा लिखता नहीं है, it's okay, but there may be a reason behind it कि बच्चा क्यों नहीं लिखता है. So we need to find out the reason. We don't need to be panicked. It is not a competition. We have seen when the two plants grows, they do not look at each other. So we should not compare the children with each other when they are growing. So especially I'll be talking about language development. So language basically has 4 skills, which is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Without these 4 skills, we cannot learn any language. If we want to have a complete language skills or complete language knowledge, we should have all these 4 skills. But when the child is born, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो वो क्या कर सकता है? Is he able to read? Is he able to write? Is he able to speak? A newborn baby is not able to speak. He can only cry, but he's listening. So listening is the first skill which is developed in the children, which is developed in humans, right? And then what the child starts after a few months, maybe 1 or 2 months, they start going. They start taking out few vowel sounds. Ah, eh, and then gradually they start babbling. That is the consonant sounds. They start repeating the b, murmur. That is why. Maybe right now only, I have realized the child is saying m sound for the first time. Maybe that is why mother is called माँ, क्योंकि सबसे पहले बच्चा माँ बोलता है, साउंड माँ बोलता है, और माँ ही है जो बच्चे के पास रहती है. So maybe in old years the mother is termed as माँ only, क्योंकि बच्चा सबसे ज्यादा उसी से कनेक्ट रहता है. So this is what I realized right now after sitting here. Maybe. So these are the consonant sound. For saying ma, there is no teeth required for speaking ma sound. Only the lips are required, the child already has. There are few sounds which we cannot speak without teeth. So maybe when the teeth develops in the children, then they start speaking that sound. And then gradually they start saying the words. They do not automatically jump into the sentence. जैसे बच्चा जब पैदा होता है, he is only lying down. He cannot stand, he cannot turn, he cannot sit even. So there is a process. बच्चा पहले लेटा हुआ है, फिर वो बैठना सीखता है, and then he start standing, and then he runs, walk, and then runs. So there is a process. We cannot expect कि मेरा बच्चा हुआ है और मैं 4 महीने के बाद वो दौड़ने लग जाएगा. So we are expecting something wrong from our children, which he is not capable of. So we have to see when the child is ready, they automatically start doing that. So it is a time, when the time comes, they automatically do it. We don't have to do anything else. So with the language, do we need to teach them how to listen? हम उनको बोलना सिखाते हैं क्या? It is ability of human being. They automatically do it. We don't teach them how to speak. हम उनको बोलना भी नहीं सिखाते. हम क्या सिखाते हैं? Reading or writing. तो जब बच्चा स्कूल में आता है, अब आजकल तो बच्चे 1.5 years में ही मदर्स रेडी हो जाती कि नहीं, अब आई कैन नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड, नाउ यू गो टू स्कूल. ओके, बट तो 1.5 साल में तो बच्चा अभी बोल भी नहीं पाता है अच्छे से. बट वी डू नॉट टीच देम लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. हम उनका रीडिंग और राइटिंग पे शुरू कर देते हैं. So when the child comes in nursery, we just start them teaching ABCD. This is what we are starting. Or nowadays the mothers are prepare their children to send them school. So before sending them to school, the child already knows ABCD. और नहीं आता है तो मम्मा को बहुत awkward feel होता है कि मेरे बच्चे को नहीं आता है, उसके बच्चे को आता है. So what we are expecting, we are again satisfying ourselves. This is our need कि हमारे बच्चे को आना चाहिए. This is not child's need. So we are again working for ourselves. We become selfish कि हम बच्चे के लिए कुछ नहीं सोच पा रहे कि बच्चे को क्या चाहिए. So there we need to think. Again, this is emotional connect over here, that we have to understand the children, what they can do, what they are good at, and what we are expecting from them to do it. So listening for listening, if we want them to develop listening, so there are certain things that how the listening is automatically doing. So we keep on talking. So the thing is, जब बच्चा बोलता नहीं है, हम सब उससे बात करते रहते हैं. But the moment the child starts speaking, जब वो बात करने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है तो हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होता है बात करने के लिए. फिर हम इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं कि बच्चा पीछे से चिल्ला भी रहा है तो हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है सुनने के लिए. इवन हमारे पास उसकी तरफ देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है. So this is something wrong. जब बच्चा बात करना चाह रहा है, this is what the language is developing. It's a development stage. जब बच्चा बोलने के लिए तैयार है और हम उसको नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So that we have to see कि जब बच्चा बोल रहा है तो हमें उसकी तरफ देखना है. आप कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, that is more than enough, but you have to look into his eyes to make him realize, yes, you are listening. He's talking to you. They do understand. उनको समझ में आता है. अगर आप उनकी तरफ नहीं देखना है मतलब आप नहीं सुन रहे हैं. I had a little one at home. जब मैं फोन पर रहती हूँ ना, and he wants to show me something, तो बोलता है अपनी फोन नीचे रखो. Then only I'll show you. फोन नीचे रखो, उसके बाद इधर आओ. Immediately, whether I am on the call or not, he doesn't understand, but he wants his attention. complete time. So that we have to give sometimes. We cannot say no to it because we want them to develop. Then comes reading and writing. So I do not know, but what comes first? Which things develop first? Is it reading or writing?
Obviously reading.
Reading, of course. Thank you, Abha ma'am, for responding. I'm so sorry, I forgot that this is not an interactive session. But yes, but what we do, we force more upon the writing part. जैसे बच्चे नर्सरी में जाते हैं, नर्सरी में बच्चों को A to Z आना चाहिए, 1 to 100 आना चाहिए, फिर हिंदी के भी आ ई आना चाहिए, ये सब शुरू हो जाता है. बट बच्चा नहीं कर पाता. क्यों नहीं कर पाता? उसका मैं आपको रीजन बताती हूँ और फिर मैं आपको टिप्स दूंगी कि बच्चे कैसे हम उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल कम टू रीडिंग पार्ट. So I'll show you what is reading. I just want you to tell me the color of this. Can you all see this? I hope. What is this color? Which color is this?
White.
Which color is this?
Red.
Yeah, panelist can help me, please.
I cannot see the proper.
All right. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Which color is this?
To me it is looking black, but I cannot find out the color. Like it is black
Okay. Which
This-
color is this?
or black.
Which color is this?
Let others speak.
Anyone, you can chat me, the parents, if you are looking here. Which color is this?
Black. And
Which
this
color is this?
is red.
Okay. So who read these colors? Yellow, red, green, black. So what we are doing? I'm asking you the colors. Which color is this? And if you're reading it yellow, but it is not written in yellow color, right? I'm asking that this is pink color. So I just want the color, not the word. But what is the tendency of our mind? That is reading. So you might have read this yellow, green, though it is written in black, it is red. This is black. Okay, but it is written in red color. So what do we do first? We read first. Whenever we see something written, we start reading it out. This is a habit which we want them to develop for reading. This is what reading is, which becomes automatic after doing years. We are doing it since years, so it becomes very difficult. And when we ask the same to the children, they will be able to reply the colors because they don't know how to read it. Right. Second thing is, now, can anyone read this word? Anyone from the participants, audience, mothers, you can chat, you can write in the chat if you can see what is this. Please help me out. No, there are so many chats saying no. All right, so I'll tell you what is this. This word is ant. And I want you to teach this word ant. How will you remember this word? Will you be able to remember, and how much time? There are some certain symbols coming, 7, H, O, and 1. Because already we know that 7 looks like this. We know the image of 7, but children do not know this. It is something for lines only for them. Maybe this box. So when we are trying to teach them words, they just look at the box, they try to remember. Yes, whenever they will see the box, it will be ant. And the moment I turn the second word, now tell me which word is this. So again, it is almost same. It's hardly different. And again, the boxes come, then the children will think how to remember this word. So they keep on, looking for another clue. They are finding out clue to guess the words. They are not reading it out. So it is also difficult. This is written in Korean language, and this word is spider. So you can see the difference. If you go for English, ant and spider, and here you can see this. These are almost looking same. So the ABCD also looks the same for children when they are learning to read. It is not an easy task for them, so that we expect. KG2 तक तो हम उनको बैट कैट मैट साइड से बाहर ही नहीं निकालते हैं. फिर क्लास 1 में जाके we give them a big book thick book and with the question answers and all. And the English, which they are not able to understand even. You are not speaking in English at home. They're not understand. Are you able to understand this? No. If I ask you to write in this language, will you be able to write? No, because you don't know how to make these letters. हमने ये चीज पढ़ी नहीं है. So this is something new for us. It is same for children too when they are at that stage. And then comes to writing. तो जब तक हमको रीडिंग नहीं आएगी, हम कैसे लिखेंगे चीजों को? बच्चे पेट भर के लिख लेते हैं, but they do not know what they are writing and why they are writing. So that is why they take time to learn, because they don't understand what they are writing. It does not create the interest in them. So for this, the interest and the reason to be created so that they start doing on their own. And at the age of 2.5, they are not at all prepared for writing. So for writing skills, I think Abha ma'am will talk more about it, so I'll not touch that part anyhow. But one thing for writing, I would like you to do it. Try it if you have pen or pencil, or immediately if you can take it. So please try writing with your left hand. Or maybe if you are lefty, write any word, or maybe your name with your right hand. If you're righty, you can write with your left hand. Please try it, parents, and not right now. Then after the session, you can try. Then you will realize what is the stress which is there in children's mind when they are writing. When you write with your left hand, you will come to know the difficulty level of the children. So you have to put yourself in children's shoes, that what they feel when we ask them to do something which is not of their choice. It is our choice. We won't make them to write. We want them to write. It is not their choice. So we have to make it to their choice. This is what we have to do. It's very important to understand the children and the stage. So reading develops first and then writing. Before writing, they must know that what they are writing. Suppose if I show them the letter A, so they don't call it A, they call it apple. Is it really an apple? No, apple is something which we eat. But the letter A, they call it apple. So that is why they are not able to read. We are not teaching them the right method, which is to be used to teach them. Right? So, Abha ma'am, sorry, how much time do I have? You'll have to unmute, sorry.
I have 2-3 minutes more, ma'am.
2-3 minutes more. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So quickly, I'll go through all the skills, right? So first of all, listening and speaking. So when we are teaching them stories, when we are telling them stories, let them listen. And then talk to them about the picture. Before reading the text, the picture reading comes first. And take the picture which the incidences which they really feel in their daily life. Like maybe the scene of a family, the mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, or their brother, sister, which they can correlate directly from their life. And the second is the birthday party, maybe a visit to zoo, which children usually do it, and they can connect. Yes, we also went to zoo. So talking more about the pictures and let them answer. So when they are answering, you have to be very patient. Give them pause, give them time to answer. हम क्या करते हैं, हमसे पूछते जाते हैं जल्दी करो जल्दी करो जल्दी करो. हम उनको टाइम नहीं देते कि वो खुद से रिप्लाई करें. Children do take little time. They have their own speed. They cannot work at our speed. उनकी खुद की स्पीड होती है, हमको उससे चलना है. उनको हमारी स्पीड से हम नहीं चला सकते. तो जब आप कोई भी पिक्चर है, आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. They can read all the emotions. ये जो बच्चों के फेस पे है ना, ये सारे बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे सब रीड करते हैं. वो बता भी देते हैं कि ये क्या सोच रहा है, इसको क्या चाहिए, इसको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. They can tell you. So let them speak more. You speak less. You have to be a good listener if you want them to speak. And if they can speak, then only they will be able to write. जब आप बोलने नहीं देंगे तो वो सेंटेंस बनाना कैसे सीखेगा, और जब वो सेंटेंस बना नहीं पाएगा तो वो उस चीज को लिख भी नहीं पाएगा. If you want them to write ultimately, so let them speak. Be a good listener for that. Listening and be always satisfied. Do not expect anything. They will give you double of that when you stop expecting from your children. Don't compare your child with the another one. Your child is very special and very unique. right? There is no child which you have. Every mother has her own unique child, which is very special, and he is also born with certain qualities. So take care of those qualities, praise your children, do not compare. I'll tell you my experience. My mama used to compare me from my neighborhood. So I used to say, तो उसको क्यों नहीं रख लेती हो, मुझे क्यों रखा है आपने? आपको वो अच्छी लगती तो आप उसको रख लो. Why you are asking me to do that which I am not liking? Why should I do that? So this is my own experience. I know how children must be feeling. The feeling is always same in human being. All human beings think same, feel same, and we all have the same situations. It is not that everything it is new. It's all repeats daily. So again, talking, then for reading and writing. So for reading, you have to teach them the sound of the letters, which are very useful for reading. We do not use ABCD for reading any word. So I would suggest before teaching them ABCD, teach them the sounds of the letters and sounds with the symbols, not with any picture. Do not use apple or arrow or axe with the A letter when you are showing. I have this. So I'm saying This is the sound which are used to pronounce the English words. And don't try to teach in Hindi. Every language has its own beauty. So in English, the accent is different, so that they will not muck up the Hindi and English language. They will have clarity that this is Hindi and this is English. Whatever the mistakes I found in children, this is the solution and the mistake what we are doing unconsciously, maybe unknowingly, which we should not. Then give them the words which they can decode. Like after giving them certain sounds, we do give them the words which they can read. These are called decodable words. So after teaching them, I use synthetic phonics method for teaching them reading and writing. And then again, when we say writing should be independent. Like what I hear, I am able to write. So say the sounds, let them write. Then when they are ready to split the words into the sounds, like when I say goat, it is g-oat. It means the child has to write 3 sounds, but he must know how to write this g, how to write o, how to write ch. If he is able to write, if he knows how to split, he will be able to write the words. We don't need to teach them. It becomes automatic. The way we are reading, the children start reading it out. All right, so have patience. Try to develop the language in the way it is developed. Do not try to change the sequence, the natural sequence. If we are, हम अगर nature को छेड़ रहे हैं तो वो again we will get what we are suffering right now. It is because of that only. So we can understand better. Thank you so much, Abha ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. And dear parents, please note, we teach our kids with this much patience. आप लोग बहुत बार शिकायत लेके आ जाते हैं, मेरे बच्चे को अभी तक लिखना नहीं आ रहा है, ये नहीं आ रहा है. टीचर्स के पास इतना पेशेंस होता है कि इस तरीके से हम लोग फोनिक्स के थ्रू उनको रीडिंग पहले सिखा करके फिर राइटिंग पर जाते हैं. तो जब आप भी घर पे पढ़ाएंगे, जो स्कूल आपको गाइड कर रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग चलिए, तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी उतना. और एक बात कहीं पर मैं सुनी थी कि चाइल्ड नोज 1000 ways of communication with us, but we kill all the ways and force them to concentrate on books, right? हम उनको कोशिश करते हैं कि वो वही करे. वो कितनी बार जेस्चर से हमारे साथ कम्युनिकेट करता है, बट फिर हम जब वो छोटा होता है तब तो हम ध्यान देते हैं, जब वो बोलने लायक होता है फिर हम ध्यान देना छोड़ देते हैं, और धीरे धीरे करके वो एक एक वे भूलता जाता है और फिर वो बुक्स के अंदर ही उलझ कर रह जाता है. तो लैंग्वेज इज समथिंग विच इज टू बी फॉस्टर्ड बाय द right ways, like Aarti ma'am said. Now to the next panelist, आभा मैम, क्योंकि हमारे पास शायद थोड़ा टाइम कम बच रहा है अभी, तो मैं आभा मैम से कहूंगी कि वो स्टार्ट करें अपना प्री राइटिंग स्किल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा गाइड करें.
First of all, I would like to thank to Aarti ma'am, Nilakshi ma'am, and all the panelists, those who are sharing so beautiful things to us, and a warm good evening to all the viewers. And I'm so much privileged to be a part of this panel today. And I got the opportunity to talk after Aarti ma'am that language development के बाद मुझे pre-writing skills के लिए बात करने के लिए कहा है. So that is a wonderful topic which I got. And definitely after recognition or simultaneously with the recognition of the letters and their sounds, the child can do the pre-writing skills. That will be very much helpful for the child. As we know that pre-writing, the word itself says a lot. कि राइटिंग के पहले बच्चे को जब फ्लुएंट राइटिंग आए उसके पहले हमें क्या क्या स्टेप करना चाहिए और किस तरीके से बच्चे को हेल्पफुल हो ताकि वो अपने फाइन मोटर्स को डेवलप कर पाए. यू नो एवरीवन, आई थिंक मेनी टाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस particular technological word that fine motors means the hands, fingers movements, that is very important. So it is very essential to develop the ability to hold pencil and move fluently before writing. It is very very important कि राइटिंग करने के लिए जब बच्चा तैयार है उसके पहले उसे पेंसिल को किस तरह से होल्ड करना है, उसको किस तरह से उसके मसल्स को प्रिपेयर करना है ताकि वो अपनी पेंसिल को प्रॉपर होल्ड करे लिखने के लिए. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स मतलब ऐसे क्या तरीके हैं जिसमें हम बच्चों के इन मसल्स को डेवलप कर पाए. ये एक बहुत अच्छा बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक फॉर द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द बच्चों के अंदर जो राइटिंग की एफिशिएंसी है उसके लिए एक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक की तरह काम करते हैं प्री राइटिंग. जैसे कोई भी मकान बनाना है तो उसके पहले आप उसकी नींव रखते हैं, वैसे ही प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स राइटिंग के पहले की नींव है. मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, सुनना चाहती हूँ, क्या आपके बच्चे ने बर्थ के साथ ही दौड़ना शुरू करा? If please share your answer to me. क्या बच्चे ने बर्थ के साथ ही दौड़ना शुरू करा? मेरे ख्याल से पहला स्टेप होता है वॉकिंग बिफोर रनिंग. डू यू ऑल एग्री विथ मी? Walking is the first step before running. In the same way, pre-writing skills are the first step before writing. So how we can enhance the pre-writing skills of a child? It is very important. As we know, the first right of the child is play. हम सब जानते हैं कि पहला राइट है बच्चे का प्ले. तो क्यों ना हम उसके ये सारी स्किल्स को डेवलप करने के लिए उनके लिए सारी चीजों को ऐसा कुछ बनाएं कि वो सब उनके लिए प्ले हो. मैं यहाँ पर कुछ आपके लिए कुछ एक्टिविटीज शो करूंगी जिसको आप घर पे भी बच्चों के लिए डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी सिंपल, नो मच एफर्ट्स यू हैव टू पुट फॉर दिस. सभी के पास कुछ वेस्ट कार्डबोर्ड होगा, वेडिंग का कार्ड होगा, वट एवर यू आर हैविंग. आई हैव जस्ट पंच्ड इट, है ना, उसको मैंने सिर्फ पंच किया है. एंड वॉट एवर द स्ट्रिंग यू आर हैविंग, यू जस्ट आस्क टू द चाइल्ड टू पियर्स इन इट एंड go from the top and bottom, come from the top and bottom, like that the child is going to do this activity. And in that case the muscles of the three fingers which are going to use for the holding of the pencils are using. So it is very very important to develop these muscles before holding the pencil. This is one activity. And like this, I think सभी के घर पे फ्रायम्स बच्चों के लिए आप खाना बनाते होंगे खाने के लिए, because every child loves फ्रायम्स, you know. आप मुझे बताएं कि सभी के बच्चों को पसंद होगा फ्रायम्स खाना. तो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्टिविटी हम उनके साथ कर सकते हैं, that is beading. I am having this colorful frames. Can you all see these frames? I am having the frames in my plate, and just make the child sit. This is a very good activity to develop their concentration also simultaneously. ये 2-3 काम एक साथ हो रहे हैं इन एक्टिविटी में. बच्चा आई एंड हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन पे काम कर रहा है. These 3 muscles are again used to make the बच्चा इसको बैठकर कितनी देर तक एक ब्यूटीफुल गार्लैंड बना ले और child will be very happy to play with such things. ये इस तरह से एक के बाद एक वो कलरफुल अपने pastas को insert करे उस thread के अंदर, and child will enjoy. This is a very beautiful, again you are seeing that these 3 muscles are used in this. And next I want to share, सभी के पास घर में टूथपिक्स होंगी. टूथपिक एवरीवन मस्ट बी हैविंग. आई हैव सेट अ बोर्ड हियर जिस पर मैंने एक टूथपिक लगाई है और उसी के साथ I want to show कि मैंने जैसे कि अभी आपको बताया था पास्ता. So you must be having colorful pasta and children will love to play with this. They are putting one by one, inserting in the toothpick, and these are again the 3 muscles are using in this activity. So this way the child can enjoy also. And हमारा जो criteria है उनके 3 muscles जो fine motors के muscles हैं उनको develop करने के लिए, and these are the writing के पहले इन सब activities में बच्चों को engage करें, and easily you can design such activities at home for the children. और भी बहुत खूबसूरत इससे है मेरे पास, ये देखिए बहुत सारी स्ट्रॉज हैं. एक बिल्कुल वेस्ट मेरे पास शू बॉक्स था जिसके अंदर मैंने खूब सारे होल्स कर दिए हैं. आई थिंक यू ऑल कैन सी. और इसमें मैं 2 and 3 एक्टिविटीज एक साथ सोचती हूँ बच्चों के लिए. लाइक कलर्स दे कैन फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द स्ट्रॉ, which is this is the green color straw. Where they put it, ये the child is inserting in the green bag. So color recognition, finger muscles, eye and hand coordination, all are in one activity we can do. And one beautiful things we can do, lot of things are there जिन बच्चों को बहुत ही ज्यादा दिक्कत है होल्डिंग के लिए. अगर आपके पास सैंड पेपर है, यू नो सैंड पेपर, अगर उससे आप स्ट्राइप्स ऐसे ड्रॉ कर लें, एंड अगर इस पर आप बच्चे को क्रेयॉन से मार्किंग करने के लिए कहिए, और वो अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली दैट विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. बहुत डार्क इफेक्ट आएगा जिससे उनका ग्रिपिंग एबिलिटी बढ़ती है. दिस इज वेरी लाइक इसमें आप लाइन कॉन्सेप्ट भी बता रहे हैं, साथ में ग्रिपिंग पे भी वर्क हो रहा है. दिस इज अ प्री राइटिंग स्किल जहां पर आप स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, दिस वे यू कैन मेक द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड एंड मेक देम लर्न ऑल्सो, एंड वी कैन प्रिपेयर द चिल्ड्रन फॉर राइटिंग. आई एम हैविंग मोर मेनी एक्टिविटीज हियर राइट नाउ टुडे. ये सभी को पता है कि दिस इज today I have used salt in a tray, and if children will love to do this before writing, you know, उन्हें recognition पता है और नहीं भी पता है तो they will try to make the shapes whatever you ask them to do. Suppose if they learn about circle and they are putting their finger, this is a finger writing which is very effective thing before writing. So a child can do with the fingers. If you ask the child to write alphabet A, the child will again try to copy this image. As I said, copy. So child will understand that what the child is doing. Then we can say this is A. So this way we can encourage the child. I am having जो आपके सभी के घरों में है कपड़ों की पिन होती है, this, ठीक है. मेरा एक एक्टिविटी नीचे गिर गया है बट कोई बात नहीं, we'll continue. So this way 2 in 1 concept we can do. ये बच्चों को हमने अल्फाबेट के साथ दिया है, नंबर्स के साथ दिया है, सीक्वेंस में हम उन्हें रखने के लिए दे सकते हैं. We can give them this. I have made a circle जहाँ पे मैंने फिर से पेन्स को लगाने के लिए बच्चों को दिया है कि ये पेन लगा दें सेम कलर मैचिंग के साथ. So when they are going to do this activity, their finger muscles are going to work on this thing. और किसी भी काम को करने के लिए अगर उन पर्टिकुलर मसल्स को डेवलप, जैसे आपने देखा होगा सलमान खान को अपनी बॉडी फिजिक को डेवलप करने के लिए बहुत कसरत करना पड़ती है ना. तो वो कसरत करने के बाद उसके डोले शोले मेरे ऐसे बन गए, पर उससे बनते हैं कि वो कसरत करता है तब बनते हैं. और उसी तरह से बच्चों के डेवलप करने के लिए मसल्स वी हैव टू गिव लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस जहां पर वो एंजॉय करेंगे. दीज आर वेरी गुड एक्टिविटीज जहां बच्चे प्ले वे में कुछ अच्छा लर्निंग कर रहे हैं और एंगेज हो रहे हैं, कंसंट्रेशन एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं. आई एम हैविंग अ नॉबिंग जैसे आप समझ रहे हैं, किसी भी चीज को उठाकर पकड़ना, इस तरह की कोई एक्टिविटी आप बना सकते हैं घर पर. अगर आपके पास बॉटल है, बॉटल के लिड को खोलना बंद करना, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एक्टिविटी. देन वी आर हैविंग, can you see all these things? When the child is going to feel it, the child the image brain makes in their brain, है ना. और ये एक फीलिंग के साथ हो रहा है. इसी तरह से सैंड पेपर के साथ भी आप बच्चों को प्री राइटिंग के लिए एनहेंस कर सकते हैं. When the child the image of the, देखिए अभी नीलाक्षी मैम का एक चैट में मैंने मैसेज पढ़ा कि फॉर द चिल्ड्रन व्हेन दे आर नॉट नोन अबाउट द, जैसे मैम आरती मैम ने इमेज हमें दिखाई थी, कैन यू एबल टू रीड दिस. and that was ant or spider, whatever the things in the Korean language was written. I don't know what language was there, but मैं सोच रही हूँ शायद कोरियन है. तो उसी तरह से बच्चे जब राइटिंग सीखते हैं उसके पहले दे ऑल आर सिंबल. नीलाक्षी मैम ने एक मैसेज डाला, दे ऑल आर दे सिंबल्स फॉर देम. यस, दे आर सिंबल्स फॉर देम, बट हम उन्हें जब फील करने के लिए देंगे तो इमेज बिकम द इमेज कम्स इन देयर ब्रेन and they are able to write. We are going to say this is 6 and they are going to write on the sand, as I said, on the salt you can give in. और बहुत खूबसूरत चीजें मैं बहुत जल्दी इसलिए कर रही हूँ because the time is very less. मेरी स्पीड से आप समझ रहे होंगे. फिंगर पेंटिंग, बच्चों को कलर्स में डीप कर एक पेपर दे दीजिए एंड लेट देम लव इट. बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे और उनके जो मसल्स डेवलपमेंट होगा दैट विल बी बहुत ही इजी उनके लिए. राइटिंग बन जाएगा धीरे धीरे. जितनी सारी मतलब आई हैव मेरे आसपास टेबल के पास बहुत सारी और एक्टिविटीज रखी है, बस एज यू नो आई कुड नॉट एबल टू शो. पर एक और मैं आपको शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ जो मम्माज घर पर हैं, दे कैन एंगेज देयर चिल्ड्रन. ये देखिए मेरे पास स्टिकर्स हैं. कैन यू सी द स्टिकर्स? आप पेपर पर एक इधर रेड येलो ऐसे लगा दीजिए and ask them to move their crayon from red to yellow smiley. Like this also you can encourage your children beautifully. They will be very happy because ये जो problem है ये मेरे parents के पास भी होता है कि they don't know writing so much. और दिस इज एन ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस. जैसे कि आरती मैम ने भी कहा है कि लिसनिंग ऑटोमेटिक होता है, वैसे राइटिंग भी होगा, बट उसके लिए प्री प्रिपरेशंस करना जरूरी है. बच्चे को रीडिंग आ जाए, रीडिंग ऑफ मीन्स द रिकॉग्नाइजेशन पार्ट क्लियर हो जाए. साइमल्टेनियसली वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स एज आई हैव डिजाइंड, आई हैव गाइडेड यू सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड यहाँ अभी बहुत सारा और है, बट आई वांट to stop here. And one is I asked Aarti ma'am to share because I asked when I told her कि मेरे पास नहीं है, आपके पास है क्या? तो she said yes I am having. तो ये भी एक बहुत खूबसूरत सी एक्टिविटी है जिसमें जो क्लीनर पाइप होता है उसको आप बच्चे को एक टोकरी के साथ बिठा दीजिए. द चाइल्ड विल लव टू प्ले विथ इट. एंड अगेन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द फाइन मोटर स्किल्स एंड द फिंगर पिंसर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड which is very essential for the for the writing. कि बच्चा फ्लुएंट राइटिंग में जाए, उसके लिए फ्लुएंट होना चाहिए, ना कि उसके अंदर फ्रस्ट्रेशन आए उस चीज को लेकर. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो it is our responsibility of the parents and the teachers to get your children prepared for the pre-writing skills first, then give a proper writing to them. कि आपने A introduce किया और आप expect करें कि बच्चा A लिख ले तुरंत, तो it won't be possible. So पहले आप pre-writing के लिए उन्हें prepare करें. बहुत ही खूबसूरत aspects है इसको बच्चों तक पहुंचाने के लिए. They all will be play. जैसे मैंने कहा है कि बच्चों का पहला राइट प्ले है, सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट राइट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड. जैसे सभी को हमें भी बहुत सारे अधिकार मिले हुए हैं, तो बच्चों का अधिकार है खेलना, उस चीज का यूटिलाइज करें और उन्हें हैप्पी एटमॉस्फेयर दें लर्निंग के लिए, वॉट एवर दे आर लर्निंग. सो प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स इज एसेंशियल. As I said, it is a block building for writing. So help your children to learn that thing in a happy atmosphere. Thank you. I have to wind up. My speed was so fast. Please forgive me for this because मेरे पास बहुत और है, but time is running. So I have to stop myself here. And yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, Vinita ma'am.
It's not getting anywhere. Yes. Thank you so much, Abha ma'am, for the endless activities. And this is how we make the environment of pre-writing skill at school. And you also need such kind of guidance, dear parents, to make such environment at home also, so that child will not feel the writing as a burden. उसको एटमॉस्फेयर मिलेगा तो वो अपने आप करते करते उसको ग्रिप डेवलप हो जाएगा, तो वो खुद ही करने लग जाएगा. So don't pressurize them to write. Provide them the proper environment. Now I would like to move towards Taha ma'am, and she's going to guide us how online learning can help in all these developmental aspects. Taha ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vinita ma'am, for inviting me on such a wonderful platform, and we are enjoying since last 3 webinars. And this webinar, I especially thank to Aarti ma'am for such a wonderful tip she has given us on language development. And I also would like to thank Nilakshi ma'am, who has given us wonderful this thing about spice. Especially, I like this spice and gems. We have got this beautiful this thing. Abha ma'am has shared such a beautiful activity. So basically, I wanted to come out onto my topic as we are running short of time. I wanted to say that let's not call this classes as an online classes. Let's call this as an interactive class. Interactive sessions with the proper learning which we are going to talk ahead. Here we are talking about 0 to 6 years of child age group, as we know that. And I think most of the parents have already understood that they are just not meant for free play. Of course, playing, as Abha ma'am said, is a part of their curriculum, part of their learning, and वो उनका right है, उनका हक है, लेकिन it's not a free play. It's a proper play with the guidance which we are going to help them, and we mentors are here present for the online sessions over here. One day I was talking to Vinita ma'am, one day she said कि thankfully मेरे बच्चे का online classes शुरू हो गया, and now he is not watching TV now. He is not playing PUBG on the phone. So basically कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लिए ऑनलाइन सेशंस या इंटरैक्टिव सेशंस जिसको हम कह रहे हैं, that is very important nowadays, क्योंकि इसके अलावा हमारे पास ऑप्शंस भी नहीं है. We do not have any plan B with us. Where is the plan? You just tell me. Okay, now सबसे बड़ा concern जो हमारे parents का होता है, that is screen time. Aren't our children on the PUBGs, on the phone? Aren't they there? Aren't they using TVs? They are not watching. You just count the hours, how many times. What we are trying to do is we are just trying to place teachers aside besides the screen so that we can have an interactive session. क्योंकि जब भी बच्चा फोन से हटके जब टीचर्स के साथ interact करेगा, so we'll be working onto the Trinity. Actually, schools are working onto 3 foundations of a child, and that are thinking skills, social skills, and emotional skills. Like as Nilakshi ma'am has already guided us about social skills and emotional skills, I would like to give you just one example. When a teacher is sitting in besides the screen, and when she's asking question and a child has to answer that question, he is using his thinking capacity, and he's overriding, like he's coming up with his thinking skills, which is very, very important. Brain requires stimulation, and for that we experts are there to provide them. We are there to guide you out definitely in this pandemic situation, and we wanted that parents should work hand in hand with us. हम कई बार हमने पेरेंट्स को ये भी बोलते हुए सुना होगा कि खेलने दो, कुछ नहीं होता, हमें कुछ नहीं कराना. Believe me, ऐसा नहीं होता. It is going to give you lots and lots of enormities and lots of negativities. Negative things will take place, which you will realize जब ये time जा चुका होगा. And तब हमें ऐसा लगेगा काश हमने उस time को use कर लिया होता, utilize कर लिया होता, हमने बच्चों के साथ कुछ किया होता. My point to parent is also कि whatever crisis is going on in the world, whatever crisis you are also going through. I know every parent is troubled, every parent is suffering from some or any other problems. But just remember, when you were having a baby or when you had a baby, what were you thinking about that baby? You were thinking that you had to give him a good life, a good future, and you wanted to nurture him. Isn't education a part of nurturing a baby? Isn't it? Don't ever think that education is a non-essential and can be dropped for 1 year. 1 year is very long period. And हम educators तो हम ये believe करते हैं कि हम खुद हारते हैं, ना हम बच्चों को हारना सिखाते हैं. So this is the time period when we had to again hold hands, now again become sensible, and we have to achieve a situation, win-win situation for kids. It's not, we are talking about parents, or we are not talking about school, we are not talking about teachers, we are not talking about mentoring, we are only talking about kids. We can't give them, हम नहीं सिखाएंगे उन्हें हारना. There's a story, we all have heard it, not story, in fact we all have seen so many times, an ant carrying a grain 5 times bigger than the body. You know, sometimes she falls, वो गिरती है, उठाती है, pick करती है, again she starts moving, and she reaches her destination with that such a big grains in the hands. This is the same situation, and we all have to act like ants over here. और हमें 2 thoughts आते हैं ऐसी conditions में, एक positive होता है, एक negative होता है. So why are we thinking negative? Let's think positive only about the situation and let's move ahead. कि अब इस पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन में हमें कैसे कैरी ऑन करना. लेट्स टेक दिस सीनरी एज अ बून. And let me tell you कि before this COVID-19 also, there were n number of schools who were already working with the online education, and there were a number of schools जो try कर रहे थे इस level पर आने के लिए. So this situation has given us an opportunity to come out, to understand how the things are going on. And in fact, I also believe that schools are standing as a various, again, जैसे doctors हैं, जैसे policemen हैं, they are also standing. In fact, the teachers are also standing as a various, and they are also putting their best by placing their various need, and they are, you know, they are giving opportunities to parents कि वो किस में comfortable है. Maybe it's a WhatsApp, maybe it is a Zoom app, maybe it is a Google Meet. If we talk about, you know, they are trying to understand कि parents कहाँ comfortable हैं, parents का timing issue है, तो वो उसको कैसे cope up कर सकते हैं. So you have gotten liberty and flexibility with the online classes also. So many parents have agreed with the challenges also which they were facing, and so many parents have started learning also. क्योंकि कई बार parents होते हैं जो techno savvies नहीं थे, but I can find them that now they have learned how to download the PDF files. उनको पहले PDF files नहीं download करना आता था, उन्हें Play Store से कोई app नहीं download करना आता था. So these situations, rather than complaining, I think we all should accept this period as a boon to us, and we should move towards the new evolution which this situation is giving us. I also remember कि जब Android phones आए थे 10 years back, I think पहले normal phones होते थे, छोटे keypad phones, we used to use that. And one day I took Android phone जब new launch हुआ था, I gave that phone back to the shopkeeper and I told him I'm not going to use this. मुझे तो आता नहीं, इसको कैसे use करेंगे, मुझे इसको सीखने में इतना time लग जाएगा. He said नहीं दीदी आप लेकर जाओ, आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा, अभी this is very trending and this is new to the technology and you should use it. I took that phone one day with me. मैं पूरा उसको एक दिन चलाती रही, but मैं नहीं चला पाई उसे. Next day I returned it. I said you give me a normal keypad phone. I still remember when I was going through all this situation. So you know what these experiences add up to us is हमें कोई चीज जो difficult लगती है शुरू में वो बहुत starting में लगती है. And I think when we start using all those things, today is the scene कि आज मैं Android phone के बिना नहीं रह सकती. Today we all are using Android phones and everything. We as in mentors, I think we are preparing for near future. So we should look after the pros of this situation rather than looking after the cons of the situation. And मुझे लगता है कि teachers ने इन सब चीजों को interactive sessions को बहुत अच्छे से engage किया. Teachers are learning, teachers are enjoying, teachers are doing party. Again, it's just not partying or something. We are not talking about the syllabus part. In fact, other than syllabus also, we have social and emotional connection with the kids. And we are just trying कि हम उन बच्चों के साथ वो engagement जो हमारा है, हम वो connection वो बना के रखना चाहते हैं, because we don't want that हमारा बच्चा जब when he comes back, I know when he come back, the scenes will not be same, the teachers will not be same, कुछ भी same नहीं रहेगा. But we wanted कि हम कुछ connections बना के रहें. Of course, syllabus मैं मानती हूँ कि कुछ हद तक ये हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा difficult रहेगा इन सब चीजों को कराने में, लेकिन फिर भी we are trying to cope up, and when they come back with the normal situation, I think we will be onto the platform again very soon. We should believe that. Until the time we are not together, I think ये social और emotional connect बना के रखने के लिए हमारे पास इससे अच्छा कोई platform नहीं. So I just believe कि हमारे लिए होना चाहिए. मैंने एक जगह एक message भी पढ़ा था कि study time will become a family time. Of course, when we think or when we try to understand online situation when it is going on, जब mother एक baby को यहाँ पर लेके अपनी गोद में बैठती हैं, तो it is not only a child who's learning. The mothers are also learning, जो वो भूल चुकी हैं. There are so many life skills going on. There are so many tolerance, discipline, determination, which is a part of important internal programming which is being done in ourselves. We are trying to develop those things also. मैंने ये भी देखा था कि कई बार हम लोग भीड़ चाल में भागते हैं. I think there are some people who are not wanting to go with the online classes. I'll come up directly. But why they're not wanting is because they are not used to use the technology, or they are not able to come up with that phase, and you know they are creating the problem. But I just wanted to ask you that there is no other way out. And we as an educator, we will never ever permit कि हमारे बच्चे की learning पूरे एक साल के लिए या 6 महीने के लिए जितना भी pandemic situation जा रहा है हम उसे स्टॉप कर दें. सो वी आर मोर बॉदर्ड whenever we as an educators meet or whenever we are talking, we are just talking about how to get connected to a child. हम उसके साथ में पेरेंट्स की भी काउंसलिंग करते हैं कि आप ऐसे जूम डाउनलोड कीजिए, आप ऐसे पासवर्ड इंसर्ट कीजिए, ओके यू क्लिक इट ऑन टू दिस लिंक. सो वी आर टीचिंग देम बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू मेक अ सोशल बॉन्डिंग विद द चिल्ड्रन. वी वांटेड कि हमारा जो बॉन्ड है, जो हमारा लव बॉन्ड है, वो हमारा बना रहे उनके साथ. एंड आई थिंक वी आर वेरी शॉर्ट ऑफ दिस थिंग टाइमिंग्स ऑल्सो. बट मैं फिर भी ये बोलूंगी कि हमारी जो टीचर्स हैं, काफी सारी टीचर्स एनिमेटेड वीडियोस बना रहे हैं आजकल बच्चों के लिए, ताकि बच्चे कार्टून्स के साथ उसको कनेक्ट कर सके और उनका लर्निंग भी होता है. सो एंड अगर किसी को बहुत ज्यादा आईसाइट प्रॉब्लम है, मान लीजिए पेरेंट्स अगर कंसर्न भी करते हैं, दे आर सेइंग, so audio files are also being prepared by the teachers. You will have to approach to the school. आप स्कूल से approach कीजिए, they are your family. We all have made a families. I think हम प्री स्कूल्स तो बहुत कनेक्टेड होते हैं हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ में, इतना मेन लाइन्स तो नहीं होते, बट स्टिल आप अपने प्रिंसिपल को या जो भी आपके स्कूल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं, आप उनसे कनेक्ट कीजिए. You can just ask them that we are not agreeing with the screen timings. You just can send us an audio files. तो हम आपको बहुत ज्यादा ऑडियो फाइल्स नहीं भेजेंगे. विल बी जस्ट बी सेंडिंग यू 15 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स ऑडियो फाइल्स, एंड और मेबी थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्लास वाइज, एज वाइज, जो भी रहता है हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम आपको सारी चीजें भेजेंगे. एंड वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अप एनी कमर्शियल थिंग्स और इकोनॉमिकल क्राइसिस हम नहीं देख रहे हैं ये सारी चीजों के लिए. हमारे लिए बच्चे की सेफ्टी से बढ़कर इस वक्त में कुछ भी नहीं है. वी एज एन एजुकेटर आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिल द ब्रिज of gap which has come between the child and us. And I have seen, मैंने देखा था Facebook पे बहुत सारी teachers, बहुत सारी ladies, I think they were putting sari challenges, they were putting some couple pictures challenges, and so many things were going on. But our teachers, you know, they have seriously accepted, they had not accepted the sari challenge or the motherhood challenge. The challenge demanded that they have to undergo digital transformation overnight. Teacher said, I accept. The challenge demanded that they have to open their house for public viewing. Teacher said, I accept. The challenge demanded that they have to do with limited or no resources. Teacher said, I accept. The challenge demanded that they may not be paid for their salaries. Teacher said, I accept. So challenges are on both the sides. Parents, we have to work hand in hand, and we seek for your support for the online transmission of that. Thank you so much.
So dear parents, this is just a small effort by us to guide you and prepare you for teaching your kids at home, because our purpose is learning should not be stopped in any circumstances. As Nilakshi ma'am ने सबसे पहले ब्रह्म वाक्य दे दिया है, to cope and to adopt. We are coping up, we are adopting the new circumstances, and you also have to do that. बिकॉज ये जो जैसे स्टार्टिंग में कहा था 0 to 6 ईयर जो फंडामेंटल ईयर्स हैं, इसमें से अगर 1 साल आप मिस कर देंगे तो आप बहुत कुछ मिस कर देंगे, राइट? तो आपको आगे आना चाहिए, एंड वी आर देयर टू गाइड यू. आई थिंक thank you so much all the panelists for putting forward such a helpful insights for our parents. Hopefully it is going to help them when they will teach their kids at home. Obviously we are there to guide you through this new journey, and we are also seeking your support, and we are there for your any kind of support. If you are seeking from us, we are there, and it's not economical in any way. As Taha ma'am said, we have accepted the challenge, and now it's up to you whether you want to utilize it or not. Thank you so much everyone. नीलाक्षी मैम, एक क्वेश्चन एक मदर का आ गया था जो मुझे लग रहा है कि लेना है, 2 मिनट में कर दीजिए. जो काम डाउन जेस्चर आपने बताया था वो एक रिपीटेशन चाह रही हैं. Can we take it, Abha ma'am? We have time.
Yeah. Okay. So you
Yes,
start from.
You're audible.
Yeah, you start from the starting of the forehead, and from here you have to go on stroking, and you hold the child close to you, and पूरा जो spinal cord है है ना, जो हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डियां होती है, उनको आपको पाम से आपको कंफर्टेबली पैट करते हुए नीचे तक लेके आना है, जहां आपकी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड खत्म होती है वहां तक, और ये आपको कम से कम 3 बार करना है. सो दिस इज द कामिंग डाउन जेस्चर एंड इट हेल्प्स द चाइल्ड जो भी उसके हॉर्मोन्स होने से, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट एबल टू थिंक इन दैट सिचुएशन. जब बच्चा कोई भी इमोशन एग्जिबिट करता है, टैंट्रम थ्रो करता है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द कामिंग डाउन जेस्चर. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Nilakshi ma'am. And dear parents, once again I want to tell you that create the atmosphere of learning at home, whether it is about their social and emotional development, whether it is about their language skill development or writing skill development. We are there to work hand in hand. Thank you so much for attending the episode, and we will be coming with some new some more sessions. And if you have any queries, you can send us, and we will be definitely trying to solve all your problems and queries. Thank you so much.